A very good morning to all my elective English students and welcome back to your English elective classes. Dear students, as you know that we were discussing about the elective English syllabus and also we went for the short stories, the lesson number 1 that was I Sell My Dream. Okay, and here we discussed little about the Gabriel Garcia Marquez and we came to know that who was this author and from where he belongs basically. So directly I am coming to the writing and what does it basically I'm going to start in fact. So I will read the story line by line and explaining you side by side and then writing down the meaning of all the difficult words which I'll think that you must know. Okay. One morning at 9 o'clock, while we were having breakfast on the terrace of the Havana Riviera Hotel under a bright sun, a huge wave picked up several cars and they were driving down the avenue along with the seawall or parked on the pavement. Here, this is what the disaster as I was talking about, and the disaster that they were having breakfast at the hotel and suddenly a huge wave it comes and it engulfs all the cars that were driving at the avenue. Here the avenue means the street, okay, and the pavement means basically the path where the car was parked. So the huge wave, sea wave it engulfs all the cars that was parked or driving at the avenue and embedded one of them in the side of the hotel. Embedded means firmly fixed. One of the car was firmly fixed in the hotel, in the side of the hotel. Okay, and it was like an explosion of dynamite that sowed panic of all the 20 floors of the building and turned to great entrance window to dust. So it affected basically the entire hotel, and the effect of this sea wave was so huge and now you can see the building was damaged. Too many tourists in the lobby were thrown into the air along with the furniture and some were cut by the hailstorm of the glasses. The wave must have been immense. Now here it is talking about the effect of this wave was so huge that even the tourists sitting in the hotel or lobby they got twisted in the air or okay, some got hurt and by the glasses the glass piece was shattered. Some tourists got cut by those glasses. Okay, and now it was so immense. What is the meaning of immense? Immense means huge, very powerful. Okay, because it leaped over the wide two-way streets because the between the seawall and the hotel and still had enough force to shatter the window. What does it saying? There was the two line roads and the wave was so strong. The suppose this was a sea two roads, so it crosses the entire pathway that lied between the hotel and the sea. It was very energetic means the two road gap was there but the wave was so energetic that it crosses the road and came to the hotel directly and its force was very huge, so shatter the window and after crossing the entire pathway it still had the energy to break the window and it means it was a very huge and energetic. Okay, now the restoration. What the restoration? The cheerful Cuban volunteers with the help of the fire department picked up the debris in less than 6 hours. Okay, with the help of, it's talking about with the help of fire department picking up the debris in less than 2 hours. Debris means all the shatter material, door, window, glasses, etc. Try to settle down in a couple of the hour. Everything was restored. And what does the line says? And sealed off the gate to the sea and installed another. Okay, and whatever the harmful was, they tried to install it once again and then what happens? And everything returned to normal. Everything becomes very normal. During the morning, nobody worried about the car encrusted in the wall. People thought there was no one in the car, that's why they was not worrying about it. For people assumed it was one of those that had been parked on the pavement. Okay, that's initially people thought that nobody was there in the car. Okay, and they thought it was one of the cars standing in the parking. They have no idea that it came from the storm, it came from the force and the energy of the wave. Parking, nobody was there and nobody was hurt. Initially they have such a thought but they were wrong. How they were wrong? But when the crane lifted it out of its setting, the body of a woman was found secured behind the steering wheel by a seat belt. Okay, when they call the, definitely the car, when they call those the crane department, that it happened in our hotel, it happened so and so accident over here. So they thought ki we should inform them, and when they informed it, so they found a lady over there. Okay, and afterwards what they did, we will know. Parked pavement. But when the crane lifted it out of its setting, the body of a woman was found secured behind the steering wheel by a seat. The blow had been so brutal that not a single one of her bones was left. Okay, now she is a Frau Freda, जिसके बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे थे. Now the lady, as I was talking, फ्रॉ फ्रेडा कि जो उसका इम्पैक्ट था, कार जो हिट हुई थी जिसकी वजह से, एंड व्हाट द इम्पैक्ट दैट ऑब्वियसली शी वॉज नो मोर, जाहिर सी बात है शी वॉज नो मोर, बट उनकी जो बॉडी थी दिस वो पूरी तरह उसकी पीसेस हो चुकी थी, लाइक उसकी जो शैटर हो गई थी, और उनके जो बोन्स थी वो कई सिंगल नहीं थी, वो कई पीसेस में हो चुकी थी. कोई भी पीस उसका बिल्कुल सिंगल में पड़ा हुआ नहीं था, बचा हुआ नहीं था. ओके, तो वो बहुत ही बुरे कंडीशन में पाई गई थी. एंड द ब्लो हैड सो ब्रूटैलिटी, सिंगल वन ऑफ द बोन्स वॉज लेफ्ट होल. हर फेस वॉज डिस्ट्रॉय डेफिनेटली. हर बूट्स हैड बीन रिप्ड अपार्ट. उसके जो बूट्स थे उसके वो भी रिप्ड अपार्ट हो चुके थे, बिल्कुल टूट चुके थे, जगह जगह से पूरी तरह से टोन हो चुके थे, और उसके फेस बिल्कुल ख़राब हो चुका था. एंड उसने वंस अगेन लुक एट दिस, शी वोर अ रिंग शेप्ड लाइक अ सरपेंट. सरपेंट इज एक सांप की तरह उसने क्या किया था, एक अंगूठी पहना हुआ था जो बिल्कुल इसकी तरह लिपटा हुआ था, विथ एमराल्ड आई. हेयर द एमराल्ड आई मीन्स उसकी ग्रीन आईज, उसके जो इमराल्ड एक तरह का इस पर्टिकुलर कलर ऑफ ग्रीन. ओके, और उसका ये उनकी पहचान थी कि उसने एक रिंग जो पहना था वो सरपेंट की तरह था शेप में, एंड उसकी आईज जो थी वो इमराल्ड थी. द पुलिस इस्टेब्लिश दैट शी वॉज अ हाउस कीपर फॉर अ न्यू पोर्चुगीज एम्बेसडर एंड हिज वाइफ. एंड देन व्हाट पुलिस रिकॉग्नाइज्ड कि दे आइडेंटिफाइड कि उसकी जो बाकी वगैरह जो चीज़ें थे, उसके बाद पुलिस को पता लगा कि शी वॉज अ हाउस कीपर ऑफ द पोर्चुगीज एम्बेसडर. सो दिस इज़ द आइडेंटिफिकेशंस जो पॉइंट ऑथर ने उनको पहचानने में किया. एंड शी इज़ द सेम लेडी. ओके, एंड बाय दैट रिंग serpent shaped ring for the she had come to Havana with them 2 weeks before and had left that morning for the market driving a new car. Her name meant nothing to me when I read in the newspaper, but I was intrigued. Here intrigue means interested, curious. Okay, by the snake ring and emerald eye. He was very much interested to know, not know about the author, but known about the name. लेकिन ऑथर का ये कहना रहता है कि मुझे इससे बिल्कुल फ़र्क भी नहीं पड़ता है, मुझे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है उसके नाम जानने में, बट आई सॉ दैट रिंग एंड समथिंग क्लिक्ड ऑन मी. या क्या क्लिक्ड किया कि शी इज़ नोन, शी इज़ सम ओल्ड एक्वेंटेंस. सो ये क्या है यहाँ पे हम लोग अगेन देख सकते हैं. आई रेड इट इन अ न्यूज़ पेपर एंड आई वॉज स्ट्रेंड बाई द स्नेक रिंग एंड इट्स एमराल्ड आई. आई कुड नॉट फाइंड इट आउट however on which finger she wore it. Nothing mattered to me, but this was a crucial piece of the information. एक छोटा सा पीस जो उसको मिलता है. And then what happens, was she a old acquaintance for her, and if yes, then what happens? So थोड़ा paragraph in a beginning we will know, and try to make your concept clear with this so that we can continue by the next paragraph also. So whatever I have discussed yet, so please look at this video once or twice to understand the concept. After all, why this I sell my dream is actually which we have already discussed in my first video, and I was going through with the writing of this, and so till then we have done the finger she wore, in which finger she wore it, nothing matter to them. And then what happens, what are the other things which we find in this story, and finally what happens. Okay, in a reality it's just an imagination also which he is trying to display. Okay, so till then, keep watching, keep learning, and take care. I'll upload it in my next video, so please do watch.